Cesar from Tech Guys, and today I'm going to review this Advance by Samsung. So this is the phone with 4.3 inch screen, a bit small but good. Two capitative buttons, one button, earpiece, Samsung logo. This phone comes with dual SIM, that's why there is a duos logo. So this phone looks pretty good as compared to the Moto E and Unite 2. This phone is made because this Samsung made this phone Unite 2 and Moto E. So this is the back, matte finish, rubberized. It is a bit rough for a better grip. So this is the 3 megapixel camera, which as compared to Unite 2, it is a low 3 point. It is a flash. It is a speaker. Speaker is a bit high as other phones which Samsung made for the comparison. So this is the volume locker. This is the charger. This is the microphone. And this is the on the right, this is the power key, this is the opener, on the top 3.5mm jack. So see these pixels of these phones. This phones looks like, if you will look in the camera as I am showing to you, will may think that it is Samsung Alpha, which looks like Samsung Alpha. So this is the phone. So let's see the brightness. Let's full the brightness. It is very natural. See these colors, the colors are looking very natural as compared to Unite 2, because the Unite 2 the colors are very warm, it's not looking too good. So let's go to setting and see what is really in the phone. So let's go to setting. It is a bit slow as compared to Unite 2 and Moto E, but they are also lagging a bit. So you can do software update from by going to setting. It will give you a new version. This runs on 4.4.2 Android KitKat. So let's do some another things in these phones. I will do the benchmark test later. Let's first of all see the gamings, because the game is the must. We all love games, and we need to know that how the gaming is in this phone. So Subway Surfer is my favorite game, so I will play this. So it will take time to start. So it is a heavy game. It is starting. It will take a time. Wait guys, it is not starting. Now it is starting. So let's see how the gaming is, as I have uploaded before the Unite 2 review. So let's see. So now it is ready to play. So there is a update, but I will not update now, later I will update. So let's play. The volume is low. Let's first of all pull the volume, as you will hear. It's good. So once more I will play, because that time the volume was low, now the volume is full. So you can see the pixels are very good. There is no lagging. Now it is lagging a bit, but in Unite 2 and Moto E there is no lagging, because of in Unite 2 there in this phone only 512 MB RAM, which is a bit lower if compared to Moto E and Unite 2. So it is not lagging too much, but a bit. So I will suggest you to go with this phone, because the price rate is very good and the display is very good. The colors are very natural in these phones as compared to Moto E and Unite 2. I love this phone. I am using this phone few days ago, in 2 to 3 days. So when I was using this phone, a bit hang is there. So this game is working very good. So let's do some another test in this game. First of all I am exiting this game. So as you can see, so let's close. So let's close all the open games. So let's do something another in this phone. So I will suggest you few apps to keep in your phone, that is Advanced Task Killer. So this is the Advanced Task Killer. You must go with this app. So this app automatically kills the open app. And now I am going to show you the Antutu benchmark test. Later I will show you the camera. So let's test what is really in the phone. So now this will testing. So Now this will testing. So almost over. So one more thing I want to say you that this phone's battery life is a very low if you are a game lover as compared to Unite 2, because let's see the colors are very natural. And what I'm talking about the batteries. So in these phones the 1800 milliampere battery, and in Unite 2 21,000 mAh battery, 2100 mAh battery, sorry guys. And see, the colors are very natural in this phone, so I love it. But I will suggest you to go with Unite 2. If you are a Samsung lover, then I will say you to go with Samsung phone. But if you want, so I will suggest you to go with Unite 2. So see the games if you are a game lover in these phones. So now the 3D testing is going on. So as you can see, the very good pixels. There is no lagging. If you are, let's see. But in the test there is no lagging, but if you when you are playing game, so that time lagging is there. So see, the answer given by the benchmark score is not too bad, but the Unite 2 score is good. So let's go to details. So see this ranking of this phone, the very poor. See, the CPU is poor, cannot run large apps, means huge apps. Like if you are a game lover, then if you play NFS, so these phones may lag. RAM general, 2D graphics poor, 3D graphics general on supports. So another things, so let's do something. I forgot to show you the camera. So I will show you the camera. So let's first of all show my watch. Wow, camera is very nice, pretty nice. But picture, so let's see how the picture is. It is taking a very time to take the photos. So wait, so this is the pic, guys, I have taken of my gear. So the color reproduction is not too good. As you can see, the black color is not looking so black, and by zooming it's crack, the photos crack. So I have taken the pics before, so let's see. In this pic, see, the color is not so good. This see, the photo cracks. As you can see, the photo is cracking. So see here, and one more pic I have. So see, this is the tower. So see, we can't see the real color, the photo cracks. See, the clouds are looking so bad. See, the clouds are not looking cloud. So this is the pic of my book. So let's see, in this photo it looks pretty good, but not so good. The letters are not visible. If I can't read, it's not too good. So in the top of my book, the letters are written small, so I can't read in the pics. So I will suggest you, if you are a Samsung lover, then go with this phone. And otherwise, if you want a featured phone, then I will suggest you to go with Unite 2. It got RAM of 1 GB and good battery life. Let's play music and see the sound of this phone. So this is the very good app which I will suggest you, Power MP. So here I wait guys, here I will searching for music, which let's wait, I am searching. So guys, I am going to show you the music, how the music is. So let's listen to music. It's pretty good, not so good, but as compared to Unite 2, because I have used Unite 2 for 1 to 1.5 months, and I am a huge music lover, but not so good in this phone. The music is, I am like your friend, I will not tell you the lie. So of these phones, as you can see from the bottom, we can see a little, but not so good, not So but from the by this nothing I can see, nothing as you can, from the top nothing, from this angle nothing. So at last my conclusion is about this phone is, you don't go with this phone, because I am your friend. I will not suggest you the wrong ones. And if you want if you are a Samsung lover, then go with this phone. And otherwise I will suggest you a featured phone, that is Unite 2. So I will suggest you to go with that phone, which I have reviewed before. Okay, bye guys, let's meet in a next review. So guys, subscribe our YouTube channel and make it more helpful by commenting on them, so I will help you for future.